Hey everybody, welcome to another video from Destinations by Del Castillo. We are at Walt Disney World Saratoga Springs Resort and Spa. We are in the paddock in a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom villa. And so here we go. Basically, you walk in the front door. It's designed to sleep 9 people and has 2 full bathrooms, dining area. Right behind the sofa is a queen-size Murphy bed. You do not need to move the sofa, it just pulls straight down and the sofa kind of collapses. They now have their version of Alexa that you can use for all kinds of help and services. Balcony with seating. Another Murphy bed that is big enough to sleep an adult. And a full kitchen. So you have a full-size refrigerator, oven, microwave, coffee maker, and behind all of the cabinetry you have dishes and pans. You can cook. And okay, there is this bedroom has 2 queen beds. The vanity is outside of the bathroom, and then you have your toilet and shower. You have 1 closet there. You have another closet here. And 2 full beds with lots of storage. Then the other bedroom has a pass-through bathroom, and it seems like a wonky setup, but it's really designed to allow anybody who is sleeping in the living room to have access to a sink and toilet in the night without bothering the people who are in the master bedroom. So you have a full washer and dryer. And then here is the door to the bathroom. Here is the door to the bedroom. And it passes through to this area here. So we'll kind of just show you how that works. This room you can access through the living room, and you have the shower, a little sink, and the toilet room, which is separate. Then it passes through another door into the bathtub and vanity and master closet. So in order to have privacy in the master bedroom, you lock this door and this door, but it'll still let people sleeping in the living room have access to the shower, sink, and bathroom through, or toilet through that room. And then here's what they would consider to be the master. All right, there you go. Feel free to leave comments or questions. And thank you for watching another video by Destinations by Del Castillo. If we helped you with your travel planning, please subscribe. And happy travels.